Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is Introduction to Scratch. Before starting the lesson, this is a video tutorial in which I will explain how to download Scratch to offline editor in your computer or PC. I will be also giving a video for downloading it in your mobile phone. So first, let us see how to download in your PC or in your laptops. First of all, you need internet connection, like I have connected my phone with the internet. Similarly, you need internet connection. Then we will be opening Google Chrome. Once the Google Chrome will be opened, like it is being opened, now we will search Scratch like this. I will be giving the link in the description box from which you can directly click on the link and you will get this page. From here we can directly download the Scratch to offline editor. Offline editor means you do not need internet connection for accessing this Scratch. There is also online versions, but you will be downloading it as the offline. So we will be scrolling it down. After scrolling it down, we will see three options. 1. Adobe Air, Scratch offline editor and support material. In this, we will be concentrating only on second option, that is Scratch online editor. And here we will check the versions, means are you using the Mac OS X or Mac OS 10.5 older or Windows. Now, as per my information, we all are using Windows. Mac OS and OS is for the people, those who use Apple mobile phones या Apple laptops. तो ये दोनों इसके लिए है. But we are using Windows. So we will be going in the second option, Scratch offline editor, and from here Windows. Download. You will be doing the same thing which I am doing in your computer and PC. Please do not go on any of the other options. So like this, I will be clicking on the download. After clicking on the download, just here one notification will come like this type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep? We will be pressing on keep. Yes, इससे कोई आपके कंप्यूटर में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. Like here you can see it is of 58.3 MB. यहाँ पे ये डाउनलोड हो रहा है. We can also check from the download option. Here you see downloads. डाउनलोड हो रहा है. It is just 1 minute away. ये जैसे ही डाउनलोड हो जाएगा, we will be opening it. It takes few minutes for being downloaded. Basically it depends on the type, or basically it depends on the speed of your internet. If you have good internet, जल्दी हो जाएगा, and if you have slow internet, then it will be taking time. Mine just 30 seconds are left. After 30 seconds, my this software will be downloaded. Now after downloading it, I will show you how to install it. Because as we have read, किसी भी चीज को डाउनलोड करने के बाद हम लोगों को क्या करना होता है? We need to install it. Then only it will be running in the computer or your PC. Just 10 seconds to go. We will see that it is being downloaded properly. ऐसा नहीं कि you press the cancel or pause. Please do not press pause or cancel button. So my downloading is finished. Like this you will be downloading it. After downloading, ऐसा option आ जाएगा and we will click on show in folder. Okay, and we will click on show in folder. Then we will get the Scratch. यहाँ पे हम लोगों को डाउनलोड में Scratch दिख जाएगा. ठीक है, with the same name. Okay, here with the same name. As ये कैसे आया? कुछ भी नहीं है. You just need to click here in शो इन फोल्डर, ऑटोमेटिकली वो फाइल क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. नाउ वी विल डू डबल क्लिक and we will open it, and after opening it few permissions will be asked. Then we will click on run. After clicking on run, few files will be downloaded. Just need to wait for it. After that we will see something like this, installing Scratch 2. ऐसा करके विंडो आप लोगों को दिखेगा, and like this it will be taking few minutes and then Scratch will be installed in your computer. I have pressed it 2-3 times, that's why it is coming like this. So we will wait for it and we will see how the installing is being done. For this we need to give few time for the computer. It is totally dependent on the speed of your PC. ये आपके PC के speed पे totally dependent है. Like this it is being completed. The process is being completed. Just need to give few minutes. Once it is finished, there are many options which we need to do. Selected, उसको yes करना होगा so that ये इंस्टॉलेशन क्या हो सके, सही तरीके से कंप्लीट हो सके. नाउ इट्स बीइंग वेरीफाइंग डाउनलोड, थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है. वी विल बी गेटिंग अ पेज लाइक दिस. आफ्टर गेटिंग द पेज लाइक दिस, हियर वी विल गेट द ऑप्शंस लाइक Scratch 2.0 ऑनलाइन एडिटर, Scratch 1.4 and here direct download. This is Scratch 3 which I will be downloading. Make sure Windows is selected, not the Mac, not the OS, not the Android. What is selected? Windows is being selected by you. Downloading Scratch 3. For this what we need to do, we directly need to click on the direct download and from here we will click on the keep. So like this it is like 153 MB, but I have already downloaded previously. I already have this program. So after downloading you can click on the Scratch show in folder like this, है ना, इसको click करेंगे and then we will get the software. Now I will be installing it. For installing we will do double click. After doing the double click we will click on run. After clicking on run, you need to click on only for me, है ना, because you are only using, so you will click only for me and then you will click on install and then it will be installed in this manner. It will take few seconds. Basically it depends on the speed of your computer, or basically it depends on the PC or the laptop which you are using. It is being installed. It can take few minutes also, so no need to worry for that. Although here it is just about to finish. Scratch 2 also you can download it, as here I have downloaded Scratch 2, but due to few reason, I don't know what was the problem, I could not do it, so I am installing Scratch 3. You can install any of them, Scratch 2 also, Scratch 3 also. Basically it is up to you. Once the installation is complete, you will get a window like this, completing Scratch 3 setup, and like this window will be appearing and then you will click on finish. After clicking on finish, the Scratch is being installed. Now I will minimize everything and now you will see that Scratch 3 is loading. In the same way you can download Scratch 2 also, although you can download Scratch 3 also. The same link will be valid for Scratch 2 as well as Scratch 3. Okay.